Hello everyone, I am Pavitra from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today I am going to show you how AI has changed our daily life before and after its use. Let's start. Introduction. AI means machines are made to think and work like humans. Before we used to do everything manually, but now AI helps to do many things automatically and quickly. For example, before we had to type everything, but now while typing suggestions come automatically. Life before AI. In the past, people had to do everything by themselves. No smart help. All data work was manual. It took more time and effort. For example, we used a paper map for routes and shopping was only offline by going to shops. Life after AI. Now machines learn from us and guess what we need. Most of our tasks are fast and automatic. For example, Google Maps show live traffic and apps like Amazon show products we may like. Smartphones before was after AI. Before AI, we used basic phones only for calling and messages. We typed everything manually. Now, with AI, phones have voice assistants like Siri or Google, face unlock, smart cameras, auto correction, all are AI features. Social media before was after AI. Before AI, social media was simple, just photo sharing. No smart feed. Now apps like Instagram or YouTube understand our likes and suggest posts or videos. Fake accounts are also detected using AI. Shopping before was after AI. Before AI, shopping was fully offline. We had to go to shops and search manually. Now only sites like Amazon show product suggestions based on our likes. Chatbots help us with doubts and customer service. Healthcare before was after AI. Earlier, doctors checked patients manually. There were chances of mistakes. Now, AI helps in scanning, x rays, MRIs, and finding diseases early. Also, smartwatches and apps track our health daily. Travel and navigation before was after AI. In the past, we used a paper map or asked people for direction. No live updates. Now, Google Maps shows real time traffic and best routes. Self driving cars use AI to drive and avoid accidents. Benefits of AI in daily life. AI saves our time and energy. It gives correct results and better decisions. It makes our life easy and is used in many fields like health, education, travel, and more. In conclusion, so AI has changed our normal life into smart life. From smart alarms in the morning to movie suggestions at night. AI is helping us every moment. Before AI, things were manual and slow. After AI, things are smart and fast. AI is not the future, it's already here and shaping our life. Thank you.